Hello, I'm Peggy, your dedicated partner for Smooth Business Trip in China. With over a decade in manufacturing and the corporate sectors, I focus on helping clients find the right product and achieve a strong return on investment. After all, I treat every dollar of your spending as if it were my own. I'm constantly on the road across the Greater Bay Area and southern China. This gives me unbeatable, localized knowledge of key cities, a keen understanding of the business culture. I've developed the unique skills needed to handle complex travel and ensure a smooth, productive experience for top management and the clients. So, are you navigating the massive Canton Fair, planning another exhibition, or organizing a factory tour in the region? Let me handle the logistics. I'll help you near your targets, partner up efficiently, and make the absolutely most of these opportunities. I will be your reliable advisor, ensuring your inspections are productive and that every interaction is a win-win. We will explore the latest industry trends and identify potential partnership together. Concerned about being lost in translation? My fluency in local dialect, coupled with sharp interpretation skills and a deep cultural awareness, ensures your message lands perfectly. I will plan your itinerary with meticulous care, maximizing your time in China so you can have a stress-free journey. By the way, China is an incredible country. Its historical heritage, stunning nature scenery, and the vibrant culture can add some unforgettable highlights to your business trip. Since you're all the way here, why not make the most of it? Just tell me your preferences, whether it's a foodie adventure, leisure shopping, iconic photo spots, or just a relaxing break. I will take care of all the arrangements. After a trip like this, I bet you will have plenty to boast to your neighbors and friends about for at least half a year. This is Peggy Wayne. I'm here to make sure your trip to China is a resounding success. Unforgettable, hassle-free, and yes, even fun. So, let's connect on Upwork or LinkedIn. And a quick tip, don't wait until the last minute to get in touch. I want to ensure your event goes off without a hitch. And that means we should start planning now. Any questions? Just send me a message. I'd love to hear from you and get started.